All right, so in the previous class, we discussed about how to import the file. j10kix.csv was a file that we had to import. These were the field names, and these were the data types that were to be set. I already have the database saved. So this is our table. Now, during the import, there were 2 to 3 fields which were not as per the requirement. So for instance, size, we did set the data type to double, but 1 decimal place was not defined. The price was set to currency, 2 decimal places was not defined. And the stock item needs to be Boolean or logical. That is actually appearing as checkboxes. Okay, so after you import, you can set the advanced settings and you can change few settings of the fields later on as well by going into the design view. So for instance, if we are to change the size field, not change, but we are to set the size field as 1 decimal place. So first of all, very carefully, you need to check which field you are to, change or set the properties for. So you select the size from here, 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 or select it like this, whichever way you want. Just make sure that that particular field is selected. So size field is selected. Then you come down to the properties and you can see the decimal places are set to 1. But in our data sheet, most of the entries are appearing as whole numbers, or let's say some are appearing as whole numbers, some are appearing as 1 decimal place. अब आपने इसको कैसे फिक्स करना है? You go back to your design view. Decimal places are set to 1. The format, you drop format down and you select option fixed. अब fix से क्या होता है? That it will actually try to push the settings onto the field. ठीक है? Forcefully push करेगा. So it will be fixed to 1 decimal place. So no matter what, even if you have a whole number, they will be appearing as 1 decimal place. After you apply the change, click on the data sheet, save your changes, and have a look at the size field. Now all the entries are appearing as 1 decimal place. Clear on this? Next is price needs to be 2 decimal places. It is already appearing as 2 decimal places. Even then, if you want to change it, you go back to your design view, click on the price, come down to the field properties, set the decimal places to 2. It's already set. Look at the stock item. It's appearing as checkboxes. So I can select the ones which are selected, that means yes. The ones which are deselected, that is no. In order to change this to yes or no, go to your design view, select on the stock item, set the format to yes or no. Okay. So once the format is yes or no, go back to your data sheet, save changes, and look at the stock item is still appearing as checkboxes. That means the display control of this particular field is set to checkboxes. Now, in order to change the display control, again, go to your design view, select your field, come down to the field properties and look for the lookup tab. When you click on it, you'll get to see the display control being set to checkboxes. Drop this list down, select text box. Tick. Format is also yes or no. Lookup is changed to text box. Go back to your data sheet, save your changes, and you can see the stock item is appearing as yes or no. Some cases that you will set the format to yes or no, and you will also change the display control to this text box, but the entries will still appear as checkboxes. In that case, you are to ignore it. Okay, there'll be very few cases in which that happens. Acha ji. So now the data is basically in the required format. Scroll down, it says save a screenshot showing the field names and data types used. print a copy of this screenshot. Make sure that your name, center number, candidate number are included on this printout. Now, whenever you have to give an evidence of your field names, your data types, you have to take a screenshot not of the screen, but in the design view. And what portion of the design view? Only this portion which shows your table name, your field names, and your data types. Okay, so I will take a screenshot like this. Select the required portion only. Now let's open up Word. And paste your screenshot. Obviously, you have to caption it, but this is the only portion. I have noticed some students taking a screenshot of this whole screen. Now, this whole screen is irrelevant. We only need to specify the table name, the field names, and the data types. Okay? So make sure you just take that screenshot and paste it in your evidence document like this. Always caption your screenshots. Next up, insert the following 3 records. Now the records are basically added in the datasheet. So when you switch to your datasheet view, scroll down to the very bottom, wherever you get to see this star, that indicates that you can add a new record. So the first record is iRush or ARush. AirRush. This is flow. Case sensitivity needs to be followed. Whatever letters you see capital, they have to be capital. Beginner. Okay. Then we have low, wind condition is low. Then kite surf. Then number 2, stock item is yes. Now, yes can be either you can type in yes like this, or you can type in 1, or you can type in -1. So -1 also yes, 1 is also yes, and obviously you can type in yes as well. Now I'm just going to add one more entry, not all 3, because you know how to add them. So ozone, then we have cult, then we have 3.5, 6.5, okay, 6.5, 309.95. अच्छा, एक important चीज जरा गौर से सुने. Now let's say while I was entering data, I'm not done with the complete record, right? और एकदम मुझे याद आता है ओके आई डिडंट सेट द प्राइस टू बी 2 decimal places. ठीक है, but you know how to do it. So what you do is you stop right here, do not finish up adding your record, and you straight away go to your design view. Design view में जाके आपने प्राइस का decimal places सेट किया, and then you come back to your data sheet to add your data. So what happened? Huh? It got deleted, right? So never do this. Never ever change your view when you're adding a particular record. The record does not get deleted. It gets sorted within the list, sorted within the table of records that you have. Okay. Now, in this particular case, we only have what? 145 or 146 records. Okay. So there may be scenarios in which you have more than 1000 or 500 records. तो उसके अंदर अगर sort हो गया आपका कहीं पे list के अंदर, तो फिर क्या करोगे आप? उसको ढूंढते रहोगे. ठीक है. So make sure when you're adding record to your table, finish adding the record and then probably change or fix your error, whatever you have seen. So in this particular case, if I just scroll up, I get to see that the record is present at the top. Not necessarily कि ये हर case में होगा, but just saying कि when you're adding a record, make sure that you finish adding it first and then change whatever you have to. So this was skill level is beginner, low, and then we have buggy, and then this is capital. This is 3 and yes, 3 and yes. Okay, I'm not going to add the third one because that's going to be done in the similar manner. Check your data entry for errors. That is basically a visual check. आपने जो टाइप किया है, since this paper is going to be in your hand, तो आप उसको visually check करते हो, ठीक है? Now, produce a report. This is the agenda for today's class. The workflow of building the report and being accurate also. So when you're doing the access module, you'll come across objects like forms, objects like reports, objects like cross-type queries. जो भी आपने ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना है, it has to start from the queries. Queries is also an object, but it enables you to set your conditions. Now, this is an O-level scenario, which is why the conditions are basically well defined and appearing in points. So very easily you can keep a track of what is done and what's not. In A-level, the format is that they're going to give you everything in a sort of a paragraph. ठीक है? तो उसमें आपको पढ़ के समझ के तो फिर अप्लाई करना होता है. But the process is going to be remain the same. So it says produce a report which shows all the fields from all the data. That contains a new field called value, which is calculated at runtime. The field is calculated with price multiplied by the number in stock. Value field needs to be set as currency with 2 decimal places. Show only the records where the skill level is beginner. Show all the fields and the labels in full. Fits on a single page wide. Page orientation landscape. Sort the data into ascending order of make. Calculate the total value of these guides and show this total at the bottom of the value column. Format the total value to currency with 2 decimal places. The label needs to be current value of stock of the total value. Include the heading guides for beginners at the top of the page. Your name, center number, candidate number on the left in the footer. After you are done with all of these, then you can say that your report is done. Okay? So, step number 1. In order to start off with the report, first of all, close whatever object that is there in front of you. Okay? Now, you will go to create and you will get to see tables, queries, forms, reports. So you don't start from here, you're going to start from the queries. Queries आपको enable करेंगी that you can set your conditions and criteria and all. ठीक है? Now again, there are 3 modes. One is query wizard, query design, and SQL query. O levels, Zara, Mina. Query wizard or query design? Wizard. Wizard for everything. Acha. I would suggest that you should go with query design and not the wizard, just for the queries. Reports can be done using the wizard, that's not a problem. Query design, why? Because this is the manual way of building the query. You have more control, you can set more options. Okay? So even when I was teaching O levels, I never used to teach the students the query wizard method. Okay? ये थोड़ा सा optimized होता है, guided होता है, pretty easy, but lesser options, lesser control over the data, handling of data. So step number 1, in order to build the report, you will come down to create and you will click on query design. Let me show you how it looks. So इसका interface totally change हो जाएगा आपके पास. ठीक है? This what you see actually is what we call the runtime environment. ठीक है, runtime environment is why? Because whenever you make a change, you can actually get to experience it कि उसका impact क्या हो रहा है आपके data पे. ठीक है. Now, if I show you on the left hand side, we get to see our table. The master table is safe. And we are building a query. It has a different icon allocated to it as well. This is your working space. On the right hand side, again, this is the property sheet, which can be accessed by activating or deactivating property sheet from the top. You have the option to add tables. We only have how many tables? One table. So which is labeled here, which is J10 kites. You can add links, you can add queries, you can add or show all that you have, which you can add to your query. So J10 kites is selected. Over here, you get to have add selected tables, or you can double click on it as well. So when I double click on it, this will start appearing in the runtime environment of Query 1. Expand this so that all the fields are fully visible. So make, model, size, price, skill level, win condition, use, number, stock item. Okay? So now I have included this particular table to be a part of my query. However, the query does not have any fields attached to it. Query is just like a data sheet in which you will apply settings, conditions, criteria to have an impact over the data which needs to be extracted. Okay? At the bottom, there's a section, each divided by a column. Each row is represented by a field, table, sort, show, criteria और. ठीक है, इन सब का यूजेज होता है, इन सब की इंपॉर्टेंस होती है. First of all, the first point says produce a report which shows all the fields from all the data. So you are to show all fields in your particular report. Right now, there are no fields added to this report. This is just the table being a part of the query. Fields are not added, so you need to add them manually. कैसे करोगे? You need to double click on it on a particular field so that it gets added. अच्छा, I will just double click on each field and then explain the options. So you need to double click on them so that they start appearing at the bottom in this section. So you have make, model, size, price, skill level, win condition, use, number, and stock item. If I click on the top where I get to see run means the runtime or the effect is going to be applied. So you click on it and you get to see the data which is added to our query. Very much similar to your table. ठीक है ना? But in this particular case, your table is safe. Your data is not getting tempered or it's not going to get affected. Come back to your design view. The first row represents the fields added. The name of the field is going to come here. Any field that you add is going to come here in the first row. Second row, table. ये particular field किस table से belong करती है? Right now we are dealing with just one table. ठीक है ना? You will come across scenarios in which you have multiple tables. So किस table से belong करती है? यहाँ पे show. Sort can be ascending or descending. Show, which is a checkbox. When it is checked, that means it is visible. When it's not checked, that means it's invisible. It's not deleted, but it's invisible. ठीक है? Criteria, where you put your conditions, or is just like an operand. And an or हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So this is that. Coming back, look at the first requirement. Contains a new field called what? Value, which is calculated at runtime. We are already in the runtime. The field will calculate the price multiplied by the number in stock. ठीक? Where does the new field go? Side. On this side? Yes. Where? Which row? First row. ठीक है? Now that is going to be the value field. Whenever you are going to create a new field, always focus on the operation. the arithmetic operation that they have specified. Do not focus on the syntax, do not focus on the name of the field. Just look at the operation. Now, in this particular case, what's the operation? Sorry? Price multiplied by number. If you look closely, price and number are basically italic. And if you look at your data, you have the price field and you have the number field. तो इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट करेंगे और उस फील्ड को नाम देंगे किसका? वैल्यू का. If I just simply click on run, so look at the first record. The price is 219.95. The number is 0. If I multiply these two, what will be the answer? 0. Scroll down where we get to have 1. So number 1, price 234.95. सेम रहेगा, ठीक है, बट मल्टीप्लाई होना है, ठीक है. ये हमने प्रोसेस करना. कम बैक टू योर डिजाइन व्यू ऑफ योर क्यूरी. Come down. Over here, I'm going to type in price multiplied by number. This is the operation that needs to be applied. मैंने कुछ और किया है, कुछ और चीज टाइप की है. सॉरी, कैसे करना होता है फिर? हाँ, फिर अच्छा, स्क्वायर वाली ब्रैकेट्स की क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है? टाइटल का नाम है. Fields are detected or they are considered when they are put into square brackets. That's the rule. ठीक है. In Access आपने कहा I need to type in value, then probably use square brackets. मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कि I'm not sure कि क्या format है. What if I don't remember? What if I don't know? So my thumb rule is focus on the operation. The operation is price into number. This is exactly what I typed. This is not case sensitive, so you may choose to have all in small letters or capital letters, does not matter. वो ऑटोमेटिकली पिक करेगा कौन सी फील्ड है, उसको क्या करना. ठीक है, कंसिडरिंग कि उस पर अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशन अप्लाई हो सकता. सो मैंने ये टाइप किया, राइट, एंड आई विल प्रेस सिंपली एंटर. व्हेन आई प्रेस एंटर, सिंस Access detected it as an expression, तो उसने उसको खुद ही नेम कर दिया as EXPR1 कोलन स्पेस स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स में क्या है? प्राइस मल्टीप्लाइड बाय नंबर. सो दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू वर टेलिंग मी, राइट. ऑटोमेटिकली आया. मैंने क्या किया? मैंने सिर्फ प्राइस बाय नंबर लिखा. सो आई कैन डिलीट दिस लाइक दिस. आई विल टाइप इन बाय एक्सप्रेशन ओनली and let Access figure out the syntax. Acha, once this is applied, in order to experience this, I will go and click on run. When I click on run, look at this. There's a new column added. The column heading is expression 1, which needs to be value. Okay? But this is how it is. ठीक है, ऑपरेशन अप्लाई हो रहा है. All I need to change is the name of this field. So come back very carefully, just select EXPR1 and nothing else. Even the colon stays. Type in value. The name of the field over here needs to be case sensitive because this is how exactly they want the name of the field. V needs to be capital. So we click on run now. Look at the column. Okay, so this is how you add a new field. Always focus on the operation and nothing else. When we started off with Access, I told you that the fields should not have what in them? Space in them. Can you see stock item having space? Now this method, for instance, if I was to multiply price by the stock item, so stock item, now put space here. This is exactly how the field name is. Huh? ठीक है. So when I press enter, it says The expression you enter contains invalid syntax. Error क्यों आ रहा है?
Because it's not reading the name, the field name as one.
Field name as one. So they say that you need to have an operand between them. So it is detecting stock item as two fields. Okay? So which is why there should be no spaces between the field names. अच्छा जी, आगे चलते हैं. We're done with the first point. We have created a new field called value and it is multiplying price by number. Second point says the value field needs to be set as currency with two decimal places. My question, 2 into 1000 grams. Answer. 2000? Yep. Sorry? 2000 grams. ठीक है, that's the correct answer. Not 2000 grams. क्यों? यूनिट कैरिड फॉरवर्ड. ठीक है, वो फॉलो करता है. अभी हमने प्राइस को नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया. प्राइस का एक पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट है, राइट? दिस वाज बीइंग कैरिड बाय or carried forward by value field. So you can see that this is also appearing as currency with two decimal places, actually following the format. So you don't actually have to set it. For instance, example ले लेते हैं कि ये नहीं हुआ. So what do? You right click and you select properties. Which column? The value column. Right click, select properties. Property sheet will open up. You set the format to currency, decimal places to 2. Although वो already applied है, ठीक है, but still this is how you can do it. After you're done with the properties, you can close it. You want to access it again, you can right click again, click on properties, ठीक. Or you can also select in this particular column and select property sheet. That's again the same thing. Click on run to apply it. Always check the change that you have applied. Acha ji. So the first 2 points are done. Show only the records where the skill level is beginner. So if I click on run, look at the skill level column. वो हमें कह रहे हैं कि हमें सिर्फ वो रिकॉर्ड्स चाहिए जिसका स्किल लेवल क्या हो, बिगिनर हो. ठीक है. सो वी गो टू डिजाइन व्यू, come down. Over here we need to find skill level, and this has a condition. The condition is which we put under criteria. So this criteria is that it needs to be beginner. Just type it out. ठीक है. उसके बाद click on run to observe the changes. Now all the records are left which has a beginner. What happens to the remaining records? Are they deleted? No. So if I remove my criteria, I will get to retrieve my records. ठीक है. So this is beginner. Again, not case sensitive. Click on run. You've got all beginners. Moving on. Show all the fields and their labels in full. Now this is something related to the visual aspect of your report. This can't be done in the query. Once your report is generated, then you can focus on okay, what is visible and what's not. ठीक है. So visual aspect आपका बाद में होगा. Fits on a single page wide, again something related to the visuals, बाद में होगा. Has a page orientation landscape, visual aspect, बाद में होगा. Sort the data into ascending order of make. We did see a function to sort the make field. So I will scroll to the left, make field into ascending order with AirRush at the top. Sort है हमारे पास, we drop it down, we select ascending, and then we click on run. You can see AirRush is being put on top. So this is correct. So we can do the sorting here. We've done it. आगे चलो. Calculate the total value of these kites. Total value. Totals any form of totals cannot be done in queries. Keep that in mind. ठीक है, अब जो वैल्यू कॉलम है उसका हमें टोटल चाहिए. शो दिस टोटल वैल्यू एट द बॉटम ऑफ द वैल्यू कॉलम. फॉर्मेट द टोटल वैल्यू टू करेंसी विद 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस, व्हिच इज ऑलरेडी दैट. लेबल, उसके साथ एक लेबल लगाना है करंट वैल्यू स्टॉक. ठीक है, एवरीथिंग which is remaining is to be done later on. Queries में you can add the fields, you can take the fields out, you can apply criterias, show or hide, sort. ठीक है, operations डाल सकते हो, but nothing of the visual sort. This applies not only for reports but all objects. After reports, we are also going to make labels. We are also going to look at the extracts. Look, produce an extract. Over here it says produce labels. So we will be building queries for each of the objects which is to be made. Keep that in mind. The starting point of every object is a query. आपने query से started. So query में जो options हैं वो हम कर चुके हैं. Now we need to close the query. So you can close it from here. ठीक है, you can close it from here, but don't close this. That will close the application. ठीक है, so close it. अब ये एक बहुत बेसिक सी चीज़ है, मैं इसलिए हर चीज़ डिटेल में बता रहा हूँ बिकॉज इफ़ यू फॉलो दिस वर्क फ्लो तो आपकी एक्यूरेसी जो है ना वो 110% हो सकती है. ठीक है, इसलिए हर पॉइंट को इतना एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. नाउ इट सेज दैट यू नीड टू सेव द चेंजेस. ये ओ लेवल सिनेरियो है, ऑलवेज कीप दैट इन माइंड. इसमें आपकी 1 से 2 3 क्यूरीज बन सकती हैं. इन ए लेवल्स यू माइट बी मेकिंग 5 और 6 क्यूरीज. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सिनेरियो. व्हेन यू आर टू सेव द चेंजेस टू योर क्यूरी, वो आपको प्रॉम्प्ट करेगा, आप यस करते हो. Majority of the kids, they just save it by query 1, whatever the default name is. Try not to do it. मसला कोई नहीं है, मसला आपको ही आएगा, मुझे नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, और मसला क्या है कि when you have multiple queries, you can always revisit your queries to make further changes. ठीक है, आगे जाके आपको ख्याल आ सकता है नहीं ये तो मैंने किया ही नहीं, मैं क्यूरी में जाके दोबारा करूँगा. सो आउट ऑफ दोज 5 और 6 क्यूरीज आपको पता ही नहीं चल रहा होगा कि कौन सी क्यूरी है, बिकॉज दिस इज गोइंग टू बी सेव्ड एज अ सीक्वेंस. इसके बाद मैं एक और क्यूरी सेव करूंगा, दैट बी सेव्ड एज क्यूरी 2, फिर क्यूरी 3, फिर क्यूरी 4. तो आप बार बार ओपन करके चेक करते फिरोगे. बहुत सिंपल सा रूल है.
टाइम मिलता है एक्सेस के लिए?
सिर्फ एक्सेस के लिए तो नहीं मिलता, पूरे पेपर के लिए मिलता है. 2 hours and 30 minutes.
एंड द पेपर लाइक कौन से सॉफ्टवेयर?
For paper 2, office applications and your movie maker and Audacity. Why? कोई और सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करना है आप?
No, I'm just like it's 5 years now.
क्या चीज? It depends. It depends on the scenario. A levels is a totally new ball game. O levels, I can just teach you how to build reports and get done with it. But in A levels, you get to have multiple scenario variations of the same scenario. Okay. First, I'm gonna get familiar or make you familiar with reports, all the objects. Okay. Forms हो गए, subforms हो गए. Then we have queries, then we have reports, then we have custom reports. सारा कुछ करके then we are going to shift to the normalization from where it actually starts. ठीक है, and that will be done this year, not next year. अच्छा जी, so once you are done with all the settings, अब क्यूरी के अंदर बात कर रहे थे कि क्यूरी को आपने क्या करना है, क्यूरी को सेव किस नाम से करना है. Anything that you can suggest, जिससे आप you can very easily and quickly identify कि मेरे ये जो क्यूरी है ये मेरे किस ऑब्जेक्ट से बिलोंग करती है. Kites for beginners. Why did you choose it? हाँ, रिपोर्ट का नाम है, टाइटल है. ठीक है, सो you are building the report based on Kites for beginners. So rather having set it as query 1, आप इसको नाम भी वही दे दो, Kites for beginners. नाम आप कुछ भी रख सकते हो, it's just for your own convenience later on. Once you click on OK, left hand side पे देखें जी क्या आ रहा है आपके सामने. So you have a table, you have the query. You can always go back to your query, get to see the changes, go to your design view, make changes, and then close it. ठीक है? If you're not working in a particular object, do not have it open in front of you. Always have it closed. ठीक. अब आ जाए in order to build the report. अब बहुत simple काम रह गया थोड़ा सा. वो क्या है? You will select the query, you go click on create, and now we are going to build the report. Not by clicking on report, report design, blank report, labels. No, you're going to click on the report wizard, the guided method of building the report. So make sure that your query is selected. Your query is selected, come down to create, click on report wizard. The first step, वो आपसे पूछता है कि आपने डेटा कहाँ से लेना है फॉर योर रिपोर्ट. ठीक है, this is an O-level scenario. It's pretty straightforward. So we only need data from Jet and Kites or Kites for Beginners. One year. You need data from Jet and Kites, huh? But you're building the report based on your query. Your query saved as. So why would you make your report based on Jet and Kites? Jet and Kites is your master file. ठीक है? You're building the report based on Kites for Beginners. So make sure that you select that. Available fields का मतलब क्या है कि इस particular query में कितनी fields हैं? Do you want all of them or do you want a few of them? हाँ, few of them. कौन सी? कौन सी डालनी है, कौन सी नहीं डालनी? तो उसने कौन सी मांगी? Didn't they say produce a report based on all the fields? Right? So you need all of them. You can select the fields that you want one by one by clicking on this button, or you can also click on this button to add all of them in one go. See? So we need all fields. Click on next. At this point, they want us to add a grouping level. Right now, I'm not going to discuss grouping, but it will come later. So we are just going to skip it. We are not going to add any grouping level. We click on next. Over here, it says you can sort the records by up to 4 fields in either ascending or descending order. हमें एक फील्ड को ascending descending करना था कि नहीं करना था, है ना? Make was supposed to be ascending. हमने उसको क्यूरी में किया है कि नहीं किया? किया है. Do you think कि मुझे यहाँ पे करना चाहिए? यहाँ? And what happens if I don't? Mix up हो जाता है.
If you don't do it, nothing will happen. I think अगर आप जब उसके अंदर जाके भी नीचे ऐड कर सकते हो तो फिर
Point is, whether you do it in the query or you do it here, it does not matter. If I've done it in query, I do not have to do it here. 2. आपको याद होगा एक्सेल में हमने किया था कस्टम सॉर्ट, सॉर्टिंग इन लेवल्स. रिमेंबर दैट? जहां पे 2 या 3 कॉलम्स को आपको प्रेफरेंस के तौर पे सॉर्ट करना होता. ठीक है, तो उस केस के लिए आप यहाँ पे सॉर्टिंग कर सकते हैं. क्यूरी डिज़ाइन में भी कर सकते हैं सॉर्टिंग इन लेवल्स. वो थोड़ा सा जो है कंफ्यूजिंग हो जाता है बच्चों का, लेकिन उधर भी कर सकते हैं. द पॉइंट इज कि आपने वहां पे किया हुआ है. यू डोंट हैव टू डू इट. इवन इफ यू डू इट, it will not make any difference. 1 year, it will not make any difference. So I just need to drop it down, select a particular field, and then select the mode in which it needs to be sorted. Ascending है तो यहीं पे रहने दें. If you want it descending, just click on it तो ये descending हो जाए. ठीक है? Right now I don't have to because I've already done it in the query. Click on next. यहाँ पे वो कहता है जी लेआउट क्या होगा. यू हैव द कॉलमर, टैबुलर एंड जस्टिफाइड. इन ओ लेवल्स ऑल द रिपोर्ट्स आर बेसिकली टैबुलर. टैबुलर मीन्स के द फील्ड नेम इज ऑन द टॉप एंड देन यू हैव द डेटा इन अ कॉलम. In A levels, you will have different formats, which is why we're going to deal with custom reports. For now, we're going to leave it as tabular form. Tabular form, field name on the top, and then the records. So this is basically a preview of how the tabular report will look like. ये जो dark orange है, that is basically the field names. These are the records appearing in columns. Orientation, portrait or landscape, उसने बताया हुआ है. ठीक है, this needs to be landscape. उसने ये भी बताया है कि fits on a single page wide. ठीक है, single page. So look at this option. Adjust the field width so all fields fit on a page. So the width is going to be adjusted in order to fit all the data on one page. So make sure that this option is selected. Click on next. What title do you want for your report? It's for Kite for Beginners. You click on finish. बेटा जी जब finish पे click करोगे तो आपके पास दो options आ रही हैं, preview the report और modify the report. It does not matter कि आप कौन सी option select करते हो, ठीक है, because you're always going to make some changes to your report. So you click on finish. Now yet another different interface will come up. Let's look at the points that we have done. Value field set, value field currency set, skill level beginner set. Show all the fields and their labels in full. Look at the report. This is the print preview of my report. Look at the report. This is fine, this is fine, this is fine. Look at this. Okay, so you need to make adjustments. All the fields are not visible in full. आगे देखो. We need to change it. Fits on a single page हो गया. Orientation landscape set हो गई. Sort the data into ascending order of column, order of make वो भी हो गया. Calculate the total value of these kites. This is left. Heading kites for beginners. The kites for beginners is appearing as the heading. That is also done. So we left with only 2 to 3 points maximum. बेटा जी रिपोर्ट को जरा गौर से देख लो. This is actually the print preview. ठीक है, because when I clicked finish on my wizard, so I selected the option to preview my report. In order to close the preview, you can just go on to the top. Over here, you get to see close print preview. Click on it. Now, this what you see in front of you is the design view of your report. Design view. Advanced settings of your report. Advanced settings of your query. Advanced settings of your table. Advanced settings of your report. ठीक है. There are a couple of views for your report. If I drop this down, you've got report view, print view, layout view, design view. Right now we are in design view. ठीक हो गया. Design view में क्या है? You have 4 sections. The first section is the report header. Report header which appears at the top of your report. ठीक है. For instance, if your report is of 5 pages, the top of your report is going to be which page? 1. Okay. Then there's a section called page header. This is actually the section at the top of your page. If you have 5 pages in your report, this section is going to be on each page. Okay. Detail section. Detail section is considered to be the main part of your report. It's actually the body section where all the data goes in. तो ये आपका detail section है. Page footer. Every page, bottom of every page. Report footer. End of your report. So if your report has 5 pages in total, the report footer is going to exist on the last page at the bottom of your report, wherever your report is ending. Are we clear on these sections? Okay. You'll get to see what these boxes actually mean. Acha. In order to set the fields that their labels are visible in full. ये point रहता है ना, वो hashtags आ रहे थे. So we need to make adjustments. In order to reposition your fields, you need to go to not your design view, but your layout, physical appearance. So you click on layout view. ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या करोगे? You can select the field name and you can select one of the records to select the whole column. ठीक? So I will select my field name, hold down control and click on one of the records. So this is how I have selected the whole column, including the field name. And then I can resize it. समझ में आया? ठीक है? Scroll down. This is cutting off, so expand. This is how it is. If I want to move this column, all I need to do is use my arrow keys on the keyboard. So इसकी placement भी change हो सकती है. ठीक हो गया? So make is here. Then we have model, resize, and then shift. Because I need some space onto this end, towards this end. ठीक है? So size, I'll move it here. Always have a look at your data. It should not overlap or it should not be cutting off anything. So make sure that you make the right adjustments. So select your field name, hold down control, click on one of the records to select the whole column, and then resize. Use the arrow keys for the placement. It will be more accurate rather than using the mouse. Number, this is not appearing in full, so we extend this so that the field is visible. Place the numbers under the column or the field name and then make the shift. This is probably stock item. Needs to extend this as well. Make it appear right underneath the stock item and then shift. Value, resize, hashtag, because there's not enough space to display the data. So you need to make appropriate space to make them visible. Hashtags is only to represent that the space is not enough to display the data. Once you're done, have a look at your report. This is all well balanced. ठीक है? So we are done with the labels as well. Calculate the total value of these kites. Show this total at the bottom of the value column. बेटा जी, I am still in the layout view. किसका total करना है? Value column का. So select the data. किसका total होना है उसको select करें. Once selected, come back, click on the report layout design at the top. You have arrange, you have format, you have page setup. Click on report layout and you will get to see grouping and totals. Drop this down and select sum. किसको sum करेगा ये? जिस column को मैंने select किया हुआ है, which is the value column, the data. If I scroll down and come towards the end, this is the total appearing, so I can resize so that it's fully visible. This is my total. Do we get this? Sure. उसने कहा format the total value to currency with 2 decimal places. Total value with 2 decimal places. So what we do is we right click, we click on properties, right click, we click on properties, we'll access the property sheet over here. Currency, format is currency, decimal places 2. So already followed. We don't have to set it. Close the property sheet. Next up, label. You need to have a label next to the total, current value of stock for the total value. बेटा जी एक्सेल में सम किस तरह करते हैं? equals to sum, round bracket open, and then you put your cell references, right? यहाँ पे sum किसका हो रहा है? वैल्यू कॉलम का हो रहा है. वैल्यू क्या है? ओके, वैल्यू क्या है? प्रोडक्ट. फील्ड नेम है, फील्ड है, राइट? अच्छा, fields are represented in what? In Access. Square brackets. So technically the function for this particular operation that I did, yeah, should be equals to sum round bracket open, then value, which is actually a field, so that needs to be enclosed in square brackets, and then round bracket closed. ठीक है? Sorry? बोलो हो, बोलो बोलो. डिजाइन व्यू में खोलेंगे तो यही लिखा होगा. सो इफ यू गो टू योर डिजाइन व्यू ऑफ योर रिपोर्ट, कैन यू लुक वेयर द सम इज बीइंग मेड फॉर द वैल्यू कॉलम? हाँ जी, इट्स वेयर इन द रिपोर्ट फुटर. प्रीवियसली और अर्लियर रिपोर्ट फुटर में कुछ भी एडेड नहीं था. यू कैन ऐड मोर स्पेस टू द section if you want by just going here. I will talk more about this when we come to the custom reports. ठीक है? So right now this is the operation. What is this box called? Text box. Combo box. List box. Huh? No. Normal text box. What's the difference between a text box and a label box? हाँ? नहीं पता? अच्छा, मुझे ये बताएं कि कभी आपने ये वाला मेथड इस्तेमाल किया कि आपने टेक्स्ट बॉक्स ऐड करके एक्सप्रेशन डाला? किस पे?
जो दोनों, एक तो हमने कैपिटल और लोअर जो होते हैं ना, वो वाले
कैपिटल और
जो
लो.
पेड़ में दो तरह के होते हैं ना, उसमें एक में एक लोअर है और एक कैपिटल, एक ही में.
अच्छा.
That's the icon.
All right. So what you're trying to say is, I'm in the design view. I need to add the what? Label next to it. True? Look at this. I click on the report design. I've got some controls. See? There is one which is called a text box. There is one which is called a label. I need a text box or a label? A label. So if I click on it, it'll ask me to draw that label. I will create the label box over here. Okay. And I will type in my plain text, current value or stock or something. Done. I'm not worried about how it is placed, where will it show. Why? Because I can always go visit the layout view to change its position. तो इसको कहीं भी डाल लो, ठीक है? So I can just put it, let's say here. And then if I change my view to layout view, I will notice that the label is here. First, I need to adjust the width and then use the arrow keys to be placed it right next to my total. Simple. ठीक है? अच्छा, ये तो हो गया आपका label. Now what Isa and Zara are talking about is basically the text box. Now the difference between a label box and a text box is, लेबल बॉक्स में आपको सिर्फ लेबल ऐड करने की ऑप्शन मिलती है. टेक्स्ट बॉक्स के अंदर आपके पास एक्सप्रेशन बॉक्स भी होता है और साथ में लेबल बॉक्स भी होता है. समझ आई बात की? अभी मैंने क्या किया, सिग्मा टोटल से एक्सप्रेशन बॉक्स ऐड कर लिया और उसके बाद मैंने लेबल ऐड कर लिया. तो टेक्निकली मुझे एक्सप्रेशन बॉक्स चाहिए और एक लेबल बॉक्स चाहिए, राइट? लेट्स से आई विल रिमूव दिस and I'm going to create that function of calculating the value column manually. So I will have to go and not click on the label box because that does not give me any option to write the expression. So I will have to click on the text box and then draw the text box. When I'm done, तो उसके साथ एक label box automatically add हो जाता है. Now in the expression box, I will type in equals to sum, round bracket open close, and within that round bracket, I'm going to have the square bracket open close, and then within that square brackets, I'm going to type in value. So this is the expression. And the text, current value of stock. Again, I can see that this is overlapping and cutting off. I don't have to do anything in the design view. I can go to my layout view and then fix it. Look at this. This is not following the currency and 2 decimal places. What do I do? Right click, property sheet, active होगी, format को set करो, currency, decimal places को करो 2. Make sure that this is appearing as the required format. So resize this. There's an outline appearing around the text box or around the expression box. So we select this, we come to our format, over here shape outline, shape fill, shape outline needs to be of transparent. So gone. Current value stock, place it next to your right, the total. That's about it. But the last point, has your name, center number, candidate number on the left in the footer. अब उसने ये नहीं बताया कि कौन सा footer. How many pages do I have for my report? How do you know? It says 101 over here, right? But in order to check the actual number of pages, you don't look at the page number over here. You have to go to your print preview to check कि कितने pages. उससे कहा है कि आपका नाम, आपकी credentials जो है ना footer में आना चाहिए. Footer कौन सा? Page footer के report footer? Both. Nope. Why would you add your name 2 times on the same page? Right now, in this particular scenario, they have not specified कि page footer है कि report footer है. So आप कहीं भी डाल दो, it's okay. Either in the page footer or in the report footer. एक और बात, जो report हमारे पास generate हो रही है, उसने हमें page numbers का भी तो नहीं कहा. हाँ? Delete कर दें. What about this, the date? Delete कर सकते हैं. We have the option. Even if you leave them as they are, तब भी कोई मसला नहीं है. ठीक है? But you can delete them. Now, in order to do this, go back to your design view. In the report footer section or the page footer section, you can see equals to now bracket open close. ये किस चीज का function होता है? Date, right? So this is the date appearing. यहाँ पे देखो, this is actually the page numbers appearing. I can just simply select them and delete them. Click on the border and delete them because they were not required. Again, need to add my name, credentials. किस तरह ऐड करूं? टेक्स्ट बॉक्स या लेबल बॉक्स? Label boxes. So report design, you click on the label box and then you draw your label. Placement matters? Yes or no? Where can I change it? Layout view. So I will just type in my credentials. जब credentials type कर लो, head over to your layout view, select, resize, reposition, and that's about it. This brings us to the end of building the report. So create, query design, add your table, put your criterias, set all the settings, close your query, save your query by the name of your report, come to your report, open it up, open the layout view, fix all the fields, their placement, reposition. Once done, see if there is any operation to be applied, see if there are any text boxes to be added, see if there is any label boxes to be added. Once done, always evaluate, always double check your format, how it looks. It needs to look professional. Okay, once done, you will close your report and it will say save changes. Click on yes. Now look, how many objects do I have now? One is the master table, then we have the query, then we have the report. Why I ask you to save the query with the same name is because कि अगर आपकी रिपोर्ट में कोई भी मसला है तो you can very easily find the particular query जिसकी बेसिस पे ये रिपोर्ट है. ठीक है, make the appropriate changes and those changes are going to be reflected directly into your report. आपको रिपोर्ट दोबारा से नहीं बनानी पड़ेगी, आप अपनी क्यूरी में चेंजेस करोगे तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली रिफ्लेक्ट कर देंगे. फॉर इंस्टेंस मेरी पहली फील्ड देखो क्या आ रही है, मेक आ रही. हाँ, इफ आई जस्ट क्लोज द रिपोर्ट, ओपन द काइट्स फॉर बिगिनर्स क्यूरी, go to my design view, uncheck make, right? Close it, save changes. Do you think if I open the report, make field will be gone? It says enter parameter value. A lot of kids, they come and experience this kind of an error. Enter parameter value. Why do you think they need a value for this? Yeah, and when we built the report, we wanted to have this particular field added. So field खत्म करने से तो ये आपके पास error आ जाएगा. You go back to your kites for beginners query, come to design view and make sure that the make is added. So double click on make and then make is going to be appearing at the start. This needs to show. Close it, save changes. Open your report. Did you get to have the error? Enter parameter value. Anyways, इसके ऊपर further भी बात होगी, but this is what the procedure or the process of building the report is. हाँ, यहाँ पे पीरियड लेना आ रहा है बिकॉज मैंने अभी ये दोबारा से ऐड की है ना. अच्छा, नहीं किया था, चलो. this is the make field. ये देखो, ये field है make की, which I want it here, and this make field needs to be gone. We click on run, airbrush at the top, close it, save changes, open this, and where is that make? This got affected because I removed the field and added it again. Otherwise, अगर आप पहले से generate करो, look at this. Now I built the report the standard speed. So I'll select my query. Query में देखो airbrush है at the top. ठीक. So when we select this, we go to create. We click on report wizard, adding all the fields. Next, 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 and finish. airbrush at the top. ठीक है. That got messed up because I removed it and then added it again. ठीक है, तो इसलिए वो उस पे ascending descending जो है ना वो remove हो गया. ठीक है जी, ये process है of building the report.